Severe winter weather has made roads in and around Calgary impassable with snow and ice, resulting in hundreds of crashes. Alberta RCMP say its members responded to 3 separate fatal crashes in snowy road conditions on Monday. 2 were in its central district and 1 in the south. They didn't provide any further context or details about the deaths, as of Tuesday afternoon. RCMP say they responded to 277 total collisions resulting in 18 injuries Monday, with the storm response continuing Tuesday. They urge drivers to take extra precautions when traveling or consider avoiding travel due to icy roads and blowing snow. Monday morning, a school bus carrying Airdrie High School students on a field trip to Olds rolled over. Police say 5 youth and 1 adult were taken to the hospital among the 12 on board. All injuries were reported as non-life-threatening, but police listed some as serious. RCMP said they believe road conditions were a factor in the accident but didn't speculate further on how it may have occurred and said their investigation is ongoing. The Calgary Police Service, CPS, meanwhile, was busy as well. Between midnight and noon Tuesday, the CPS says it responded to 153 collisions, 9 of which resulted in injuries. On Monday, they reported 279 total collisions, resulting in 26 injuries. At 1:30 p.m. Tuesday, the Calgary Police Service reported a road closure along westbound Stony Trail, urging drivers to avoid the area and seek alternative routes. "We are asking the public to avoid westbound Stony Trail NW at Sarcee Trail NW due to an ongoing traffic incident," CPS stated in a post on X, the site formerly known as Twitter. Westbound Stony Trail NW is expected to be shut down for a number of hours. The City of Calgary is reminding drivers to use extreme caution and allow plenty of time to get to their destination and if possible delay their trip. Tuesday's high will only reach -8°C, but with the wind chill, it will feel more like -17. For the rest of the week, snow will taper off, but temperatures will remain well below normal with high wind chills possible. Wind could also contribute to icy conditions on roads and sidewalks. The city's first blast of winter weather has led to a rapid influx of clientele accessing the Calgary drop-in center. The city's largest emergency shelter saw an overnight increase of 146 individuals, bringing the number of clients staying at the downtown facility from 561 to 707, as of Tuesday morning. Despite the 26% increase, Kevin Webb, the drop-in center's director of emergency shelter and housing, said the facility is still only operating at about 70% of its capacity.